Okay guys, so what I have with me here today is the Glade Carpet and Room Refresher. It's made by S.E. Johnson, a family company, and it says it eliminates deep down odors. And this is the lavender and peach blossom scented carpet and room refresher. And then it is 32 ounces or 2 pounds. Another thing is like it's 907 grams. This is just what it looks like here. This is the lid, and if you turn it around here, where like it opens, so like if you just like pop the lid open like that, that's how it looks, and like on the inside. But yeah, that's just how it looks. And then this is what the back looks like. And it just gives you all of like the uses that you can use it for, which is like pets, like the odors that like pets have, you know, like that weird odor, like, I don't know. And then it has it for dampness and like mildewy odors. So like if something, like a corner of your house gets a lot of like moisture and stuff like that, you can put it in that corner. Or like if someone in your house smokes, or, you know, something that like leaves a very heavy scent, you know. This is just like the direction, not the directions, but like this is like a description of the product. And these are the directions here, so it just kind of tells you how to use it. You just like sprinkle it carpet and then wait a couple of minutes, and then want to make sure that you like vacuum it really well. I know it says up here for like mildewy odors, and I explained that like you can like put it on areas that were damp. You don't want to put it in wet or damp areas. It'll just cause a lot of problems. But yeah, that's just how it looks like, the back and the directions and stuff. But yeah, what I want to start out by saying is with this product, I actually got this product a couple of weeks ago, and I was getting it because I was having a couple of friends over for a get-together that we were having. And I was like, you know, my house smells weird. Not bad, but it just smelled weird. It didn't smell like I would have wanted it to smell, honestly. And I was like, that's gotta change. And so I remembered that a lot of times when I was younger, if my mom wanted our house to smell good, she would get like one of the carpet refresheners, you know, like the one that I have here. But it was like the Arm & Hammer one. And she would use that to like just make it smell just a little bit better. Those Arm & Hammer ones didn't really have scents, so like it didn't make it smell like 1,000 times better, but it did make the smell a little bit better than how it smelled before she put it down. So I was like, okay, let's see what I can find if I go to the store and I try to find something remotely close, if not just the Arm & Hammer thing. And so I walked past this and I was like, oh, okay, well, Glade seems to have carpet and room refresheners. I mean, that's a little odd because I just know Glade to have candles, but I was like, hey, let's give it a try. Why not? So I was very hesitant at first on picking this one because it is lavender scented, and I'm not a big fan of lavender scented things. I just think the smell is very odd, and I'm not particularly a fan of it, even though one of my like favorite flowers is like the lavender. Like the flower is very pretty to me. The smell is just very, what people like put the smell to be is just very, like, I just don't like it. And so I was very hesitant to get this one, but then I saw and peach blossom, and I was like, okay. I was like, I love the smell of peach, so why not? I was like, let's just grab it and, you know, go. Because, you know, when you have like these things like that are being sold, you usually 98% of the time you can't just go, like, you can smell it, but like this one had like the little sealed lid on it, so you couldn't smell it. And I was just like, okay, if it smells bad, you know, sucks to suck. But a lot of people do like the lavender scent, so I was just like, okay, if I put this down, it won't be a big deal. I'm just the only one who doesn't like it. So I was just like, I grabbed it and I was like, okay, let's go. So then I took it back home and I opened it and I was, oof, shit in the face. And I was like, wow, this smells amazing. I was like, this smells so good. Like, I did what it told me to do. Like, I put it down, I sprinkled it down on the carpet. And what I like about this is you don't need a lot in order for it to smell good, because I barely sprinkled any on the floor and it had my house smelling good for like 2.5 days. And I was like, wow, this, like, that's literally just with a little bit of it. So I was like, whoa, it's like, this is crazy. And so I literally was like, oh my gosh, and I'm gonna put this everywhere. I don't even care if it needs it or not. I'm gonna put it there because it smells that good. I was just taken back. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, this smells so great. I'm gonna cry. I was like, I'm gonna suggest this to my friends. I'm gonna suggest this to everybody. I was like, this is the best thing that ever happened to me. I was like, this smells so good. I was like, I'm probably gonna put this on my couches. I don't even care. I was like, the couch will be fine, right? I was like, oh, but just, I don't know. I haven't tried any of that, but like, I was like, this smells so good. Literally, I would recommend this to anyone, like guys, girls. Don't let your children play with this. That's probably one thing I'm gonna say, because it's like a powder, so, and it's not like just like a baby powder. It's like a powder you use to make things smell good. So I wouldn't suggest keeping this in the reach of children, but hey. I have dropped it and the cap does stay closed, so I would say that that is a good thing about it. And it was very inexpensive. It was pretty cheap compared to a lot of the other ones that I saw in there. So yeah, I just love this product. Again, this is the Glade Carpet and Room Refresher Lavender and Peach Blossom.